All right, folks, get ready to have your mind blown by these 5 facts that sound too crazy to be true, but they totally are. Buckle up, because this ride's going to be wild. Did you know that ancient Egyptians had their own version of toothpaste? Yep, they brushed their teeth with a mix of crushed eggshells, ashes, and even burnt ox hooves. Talk about a cavity-fighting concoction with a kick. Next up, meet the sandbox tree, also known as the dynamite tree. Its fruit literally explodes when ripe, launching seeds like shrapnel. Nature's defense mechanisms can be pretty intense. Imagine getting bombarded by a tree during a peaceful walk. Octopuses are not just fascinating creatures, but also have 3 hearts. One keeps the brain going, while the other 2 pump blood to the gills. It's like being in love 3 times at once, but way more efficient. Ever heard of the Ilacme plenipies? It's a millipede with up to 750 legs. Imagine the workout just getting dressed in the morning with that many shoes to buy. It's like a tiny, crawling centipede traffic jam. Lastly, let's bust a myth. The Great Wall of China isn't actually visible from space with the naked eye. Sorry to burst your trivia bubble, but our giant man-made marvel just isn't that visible from up there. That's all for today, fact lovers. If your brain's still intact, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts that'll keep you on your toes. Stay curious, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.